I'm taking you into the cave today. Down 3 steps at CorkHouse Savannah, we go into an area we call the cave. It's actually one of my favorite places in this historic 1780s building. Used to be a warehouse in Savannah for cotton and other commodities. It's right over Factors Walk, extremely historic, has been here for a long time, pre-Civil War, if the walls could talk. You can see the traditional brickwork on the one side. In the very back, right back there, there's a secret passageway which goes down to Factors Walk, which we may explore in the future. And on the other side, we built out a bunch of studios using insulation cork material and reclaimed wood. It is really neat. I'll show you those in just a moment in detail. First, I want to step into our lounge area. This is the Cave Lounge, and let me turn the camera around so you get a better view. So the lounge area is just a small area, but it's at the back of our building, and it is a great area to be able to sit and have a meeting, work quietly, and it's just a nice private area, small group setting. You can see we've put down the Casablanca cork floor from Jelinek Cork Group, and all of these things, of course, you can get at corkstore.com or corkhouse.com to find more information. And you can use the promo code SONNY, SONNY, for a discount if you end up purchasing anything at one of those sites. There's a restroom here, and the entire location lounge overlooks the beautiful new Kessler Hotel development on River Street in Savannah. But what I really want to show you are these things. Now, this is our insulation cork, and we have literally built a series of studios here, and I'll take you into one of them, by stacking the cork one on top of each other. And the cork is 20 inches thick, so it's very thick and is able to support a lot just in its weight. It doesn't need to be secured down at all. These walls will not come down. So you can see I opened the studio door. That's all reclaimed wood. And inside this particular space, we have a kids area, kids play area. But of course, it's all built with this insulation cork, and therefore it's very sound resistant, studio to studio. We don't have ceilings on these studios, so essentially these are just wall partitions. They're not, wouldn't be considered actual walls. More, it's a partitioning system, and the floor, again, is our beautiful Casablanca cork flooring. Very nice to walk on, soft, warm, and we've used reclaimed trim around the perimeter. Casts a nice warm light, and on the back of the doors there is chalk, so the kids can draw. That's very artistic. Maybe it's a graffiti artist in the making. But that's it. And we have 4 of these studio spaces, these wonderful studio spaces down here. Right now, currently, we have members in all of the studio spaces, but the amenity of the The lounge area is available for all our members to use when booking the space. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.